Here we have a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath, ranch-style home in the Mainlands of Tamarack by the Gulf, 1,150 square feet. The lot is 63 by 90. You got planters out in front. You can plant anything you want on them. Shutters on the windows. This home is move-in ready and it's maintenance free. We come into the living room, which is 16 feet by 14 feet. Brand new carpeting throughout the house. The entire inside of the house has been repainted. The monthly HOA dues are $340. That includes water, includes cable, internet. Looking into the kitchen where we have an eating area of 7 feet by 12 feet. HOA also includes trash, sewer, all exterior maintenance, includes the roof, painting of the outside, looking down the hallway towards the bedrooms. We've got the bathroom, which has recently been updated with a dual flush commode. Ceramic tile floor. Here we're coming into the master bedroom, which is 11 feet by 11 feet. Has a large 5.5 by 5 foot walk-in closet. Lots of storage space. There's a room to the right of that, which is 5 feet by 5 feet, that you could open the wall up and either install another bathroom or make it into a larger walk-in closet. Here we're coming into the guest bedroom, which is 12 feet by 11. Regular closet. Of course, overhead fans in both bedrooms. There's the air intake. Looking into that nice sized kitchen again. Walking into the family room, which is 20 feet by 12 feet. So good sized family room. There's a storage room there that actually could open up into the master bedroom and make a bath out of it, or a larger walk-in closet. Here you've got a pass-through with a breakfast bar. It originally was a utility room, and it is plumbed for a washer and dryer and a water heater, but you could move the water heater into the garage. Now we're walking into the garage, which is 27 feet by 12 feet, which is 324 square feet. Of course, an automatic overhead door. Door to the outside where you can have a barbecue area. Got a washer and dryer, deep sink, and a walk-in shower, which is really nice when somebody comes in dirty. They go right out of the car into the shower. If they've been to the beach or to the pool, shower off before they go into the house. Very convenient. go to the outside and go around the entire house. Nice hibiscus bush. You can actually make a tea out of those flowers, which is very cooling and refreshing. Got an area here where you can have a barbecue, and also kind of hides the trash cans. So looking at the back of the house, you can see there's room for a good-sized patio on both sides of that family room. In fact, you could connect them. Got a large backyard. And of course, that's all taken care of by the association. All the mowing, watering of that grass, fertilizing, replacing the sod, that's all handled by the association. There's the other side of the house where you could have another patio. And of course, you could open a door from the family room into either one of those patios. In fact, you could even wrap them all the way from the side door. Looking down the street, the end of that street is a dead end, so you don't have any through traffic. So it's a very quiet street. That's all concrete block construction with a tile roof. And at that end of the street is the clubhouse with the heated swimming pool and all the activities.